Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you the best block blast glitch strategy. Now the first thing you should do is to simply open Block Blast application on your phone, and once you open the app, click on Classic, and after that you should try to click on this cogwheel on the top right corner and click on Replay till you get something that is actually good for a vertical model. So here, as you can see, this one isn't that good, so I'm gonna click on the cogwheel again and see this one here is good. And now what I want you to do is to simply try to play on the verticals. So try to get vertical columns instead of getting straight horizontal columns. So here, as you can see, I have this one right here. This is a vertical column, and the game will keep going and giving you more and more plays for the vertical columns. As you can see, you can get higher and higher with this strategy. You will not actually regret this at all. You just have to focus where do you play the next or the upcoming block. So this is an important step. Try always to make yourself a good space for the vertical combo like this, and try to make it in combos. So you will have to make more than 2 or 7 good plays or vertical rows in a very short time. So try to use these strategies and you will get high score as soon as possible without any extra effort. This method actually is very effective. You can try it, and sometimes it may need a lot of practice just in order to master how you can use it. So in my case, I'm not actually focusing. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.